Srivastav, I want to ask you. I want to ask you, Vivek Srivastav ji, why is there so much allergy to the RSS? If everybody else has a right to be speaking freely in this country, why is the RSS somebody you have an allergy to? After all, जमात से भी मोहब्बत है, कांग्रेस से भी मोहब्बत है, आइडियोलॉजी आपकी मिलती नहीं है, लेकिन you will sit with anybody. Only problem you have is with RSS and heroes of the RSS and the BJP people like Veer Savarkar. I want to ask you, what is the genesis of the problem?
The genesis of the problem is the difference in the ideology of the left and the right. ये राइट विंग संगठन चाहे पाकिस्तान के मुस्लिम राइट विंग संगठन हो या हमारे मुल्क के हिंदू राइट विंग संगठन, द थॉट प्रोसेस इज द सेम. इट इज अ थॉट प्रोसेस ऑफ द मेजॉरिटी डोमिनेटिंग द माइनॉरिटी, reducing the minorities like a fascist state to second grade citizens, and that is what is the problem. The problem of reverting back to a kalpanic 5,000-year-old Sanskriti, trying to replicate it over here. The problem is Bajrang Dal going and attacking a man called Deepak Kashyap, who said, I am Mohammed Deepak, and an FIR being lodged against him. ये हमारी समस्या है. And the problem is कि बाला साहब ठाकरे के सेकुलर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को ये ठीक से नहीं समझ पाए हैं या समझना नहीं चाहते हैं. ये हमारी समस्या है. So that is the only problem. It's an ideological war. Nobody hates people. Nobody hates the human beings. बाला साहब ठाकरे ने इमरजेंसी के टाइम में इमरजेंसी में मिसेस गांधी को समर्थन दिया था, सीपीआई ने समर्थन दिया था और बाला साहब ठाकरे ने भी समर्थन दिया था. क्यों सिद्धार्थ यादव तुम्हारी पार्टी ने पूछा नहीं गठबंधन करने से पहले कि क्यों दिया था इमरजेंसी में समर्थन? यहां आपको बहुत बड़ी आइडियोलॉजी याद आ रही है. बिकॉज एवरी पार्टी ट्राइज टू सी द नेशन एंड इट्स बेनिफिट्स इन इट्स ओन वेज, एंड विद टाइम थिंग्स चेंज. वी हैव अ कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्राम इन द इंडिया अलायंस, उसके सभी घटक दल हैं, एंड एवरीबडी डिस्कसिंग. एंड यस, सलमान खान हैज नो बिजनेस टू बी गोइंग टू सच प्लेसेस. आइदर सलमान खान, I mean, आप तो भारत रत्न की वेट करिए. आप तो चाहते हैं फ्रीक्वेंसी बढ़ जाए, हर 6 महीने पे भारत रत्न मिले, जिससे जल्द से जल्द रंगनाथन जी आपको भी मिल जाए. मैं जानता हूं आपकी इच्छा, वो पता नहीं मोदी साहब पूरी करेंगे नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन सलमान खान को नहीं जाना चाहिए था. इफ यू हैव डन नथिंग रॉन्ग.
Now they are advisors to Salman Khan. They want to, advise. क्यों नहीं जाना चाहिए था सलमान खान को? क्यों? क्या प्रॉब्लम है? Does he not have the freedom to decide where he wants to go?
ना प्रणब मुखर्जी को जाना चाहिए था. No freedom. If you have a government which is targeting your community, which is attacking the constitution, have the guts to speak the right. अगर आपने पैसे पूछे,
आप सबकी मम्मी है क्या कि तय करेंगे कौन सा बच्चा कहां जाएगा?
आपकी समस्या
क्या कर रहे हैं?
प्रणब मुखर्जी इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. प्रणब मुखर्जी वाज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. पूरी जिंदगी भर जिस आदमी,
और आप क्या सर्टिफिकेशन अथॉरिटी हैं? यू विल डिसाइड हु विल गो वेयर. ईश्वरन भंडारी, नाउ ऑल दोज हु टॉक अबाउट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट्स आर गोइंग टू डिसाइड हु हैज टू गो वेयर. दे विल एडवाइज सलमान खान, they would have advised Pranab Mukherjee. They are the certification authorities. They say they don't need BJP certification for being called nationalist, but they will certify किसको कहां जाना है.
Navika ji, they advise who will go where when they are not in power. When they are in power, they enforce it by jailing people. But I first want to comment on Veer Savarkar before I come on Bollywood. People with not 1,000, even that is too much. The courage of Veer Savarkar are asking what did he do for independence? A man with a brilliant career who went to life imprisonment to jail so that he could overthrow the British, and with jail, the jail that colonial power sent people to torture without a lack of human right. The worst jail they had, not palaces masquerading as jail, actual jail. The man who spent his life there, today they ask what did he do to contribute for India's freedom. That is their right. But when it comes to the contribution, there are very few people with contribution which can match the contribution of Veer Savarkar. But let's come to the current affairs now. Why do they have a problem with what is happening with a Bollywood person, Mr. Salman Khan or anybody else going to an event? They are the people who thought they are the sole monopoly on controlling which actor, which singer will perform when. At the dawn of independence, they jailed Majroor Sultanpuri for what poem? Commonwealth ka das hai Nehru. For such a line, he spent 1 year in jail. Or during emergency, Kishore Kumar, these freedom of speech exponents today, banned him from Doordarshan, banned him from AIR, destroyed his career. Why? Because he was not genuflecting before the Gandhi Parivar and did not want to dance to their tunes and said, I am just a singer, I don't want to do it. So today they have a problem when a Salman Khan and one panelist said Shilpa Shetty's husband is involved in something. That misogyny that if your husband is involved in something, the wife is to be blamed. The wife may have cases to answer, good for it. But these people who have rapists in their political party or rape accused in their political party who give tickets to all manners of criminals now ask, why is a person attending a function? Which court has stopped you? Are you going to sit here and decide who will go to jail, who will go to what function, who will dance when, who will sing when? That is the mindset which India has rejected and will thoroughly.
You should know that. The rapists mostly are in the Bharatiya Janata Party, and the Bharatiya Janata Party is protecting
how
them.
many
The rapists get parole. They are out and they dance around.
That you blame a
You
woman,
know, that is what is the real face of the Bharatiya Janata
My
Party.
simple question to you,
Don't try to
a
defend
woman
them.
is to be- a
No,
woman
no,
is to be
absolutely
blamed for the
absurd and
alleged
wrong.
crimes of
थोड़ा
her
सा